What's up guys, this is going to be part 2 of the collaboration that I've done with Straight Flush CrossFit. So today we're going to get into the flannels. I'm going to take you guys through how I did the collaboration and as long as you have a heat press and a couple different printers, and you guys can get this done as well. I got in a question before, where did I get the flannels? These flannels are made by independent trading company. So the size is pretty much true to fit. They do shrink a little bit, but not by a lot. However, these tags are not tearaway, so you do have to cut them. And for this job, we did the custom tags with the white toner printer that I have, the Uninet iColor 650. And so we're gonna go ahead and get those done first. Alright, you guys just saw that I used the hat press to do the neck tag labels, and so what we're moving on to next is the little hem tag label part on the bottom. Again, still using the hat press, and let's get to it.
An hour later.